welcome to another Blender tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to switch to 2D animation. So see right here, you have the splash screen. And you might see a text called 2D animation. So you'll just want to click that. Excuse me. And then you have this. You can easily animate. Just move my camera. And then we have this animations thing. Now I can, so basically what we do here is a bunch of animation stuff. But how do I move this stroke right here? Well, basically I don't know either. It sucks not knowing how to do stuff. Or probably it just crashed on me. Well, anyways, that's it for this video. I'm gonna go in the elevator. Going up, going up, going up, going up. Pretty shaky in here. Why are we going sideways? What? Why are we going sideways? I don't know why we're going sideways. Well, that's it for this video. And I really hope you all have a good day or night or afternoon, what time it is in your time zone or place or location. Just enjoy yourself. Love you.